Ako na isolve din ha, so may can follow ko niya sa ilong ko siya. Kanina siya. Let's say, ang atong clear reading is 43 along 180 and 45 along 90. The contact lens base curve is 43. So now in the illustration, kasi 43 is along 180 and 45 along 90. Follow. So now what do you think happens to the lacrimal lens? So again, as I mentioned, the lacrimal lens is actually taking up the space and it follows the shape. So because you have two lacrimal, two meridians in both meridian, you have to always consider the two meridian. So let's say, for the first meridian, lacrimal lens is equal to base curve minus K. Reading na to in the first meridian, 43, and that is along 180. What is our base curve? 43. So for this meridian, what will be our lacrimal lens? 43 minus 43 along 180. So this is lacrimal lens is plano along 180. And you know that along 180 is also what? This is what? Equal to plano axis 90. Because the along is just 90 degrees away from the axis meridian. By the way, what is along and what is axis? What is power? What is the power meridian of a cylinder observed? Power meridian is the meridian with the greatest curvature. Right? The axis is the opposite. Right? So you can write a prescription along or axis. Basta kaya 90 degrees away na sila. Pero when you write a prescription in the clinic, what's about the middle axis or along?
Axis.
Ganong di man along? Okay, kung muna muna along, mura na siya email. Mura na siya email. Mura axis. Pero we're so used to axis. So this is for the first. But then you have another, that is for the other meridian, you have, but this time, our base curve is still 43, but our K reading in this meridian is 45. Along 90. Right? So, what is the lacrimal lens in this meridian? Lacrimal lens is 43 minus 45 along 90. Again, if you have questions, please feel free to ask afterwards. I'll pause for a while so that you will be able to ask questions and para ma-verbalize nila. So this is
Minus 2.
along 90, which is also what? Minus 2.
180.
Axis. Correct. Now, we need to combine the two because this is on the same height. Same height only. So now, you have 43, plano. So our lacrimal lens is plano, axis 90, combined with minus 2, axis 90. This is the cross-cylinder form. What is the spherocylinder form of this? Plano, sphere, combined with minus 2, cylinder, axis
180.
This is now our okay. So, you notice for the flattest meridian, the same. Plano, right? On the steepest meridian, it creates a negative lacrimal lens. So, we see into it. We see if we can see if it's correct. Whatever plano, or if we will so, yeah. So this is the solution. Question. Pause ako niyo para nasa akin ito please leave that one. English. Well, pero ako lang group 1 ha. Ayaw mo pang-expect ng group yan ko lang. Nasa na. No, an-announce na siya guys.
Good kay.
Dapat kami ko sa tuloy yung pero kung positive, di ba?
Final naman eh.
there's more. Hindi pa mali. Okay. Yes. Yeah, in this case, yeah. Ilang puso ka sa akin? Kailan na lang. Second formula, overfraction plus contact lens power plus optimal lens equals refraction. What is asked there? What is the contact lens power? So, from that formula, contact lens power is equal to objective refraction minus contact lens power minus optimal lens. Ay, sorry. Minus overfraction minus optimal lens. Yes, you just do the algebra. Yes. Everybody knows the algebraic equation or solving algebra. A plus B equals C. So C of B is equal to C minus A. Something like that. This is just linear algebraic equation. So, concept given we have given, this is how my math teacher, teacher told me before, long time ago. You start off with what is asked and what are given, and you can solve it. Okay. Subjective fraction nila, minus 3. What else? You have base curve 41. And you have a k of 42. Okay. So napanin, pinapanin. So ko. Asa mo refraction? Wala. So, because wala, nakita ka contact lens power, so now you have to assume that overfraction is equal to 0. It's just 0 lang siya, kaya wala ka. We're not asked that. So, overfraction becomes 0. What about lacrimal lens? Wala. But can we solve lacrimal lens? Yes. Why? Because lacrimal lens is equal to base curve minus k. You have base curve, you have k, I can solve lacrimal lens. So that is 41 minus 42, my lacrimal lens is minus 1 sphere. So now, can you now solve what is the contact lens power? So what's the contact lens power? Minus 3, minus plano, minus 1. What is that? Negative 3 minus plano minus 1. This becomes minus 3, minus and minus becomes plus. This is now negative. So my contact lens power for this will be question. Simultaneous violent reactions.
What is just given
Good. Ako tala. It will follow. Or what if given ang contact lens power? Ako tala ang okay, so sagutan. It's a negative 2. Next question before we proceed. And just like life, to get started, what if you have an astigmatic cornea? And you know that the lacrimal lens will also be what? Astigmatic? How do you solve? Okay. Sabi mo kita. Next example. Okay. Now we have a subjective refraction nila minus 2 with the minus 1. Now you have a patient